In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications in Trello. Trello is an incredibly popular tool for organizing tasks, collaborating with teams, and staying on top of projects. But to make the most of it, it's essential to ensure you never miss an important update. That's where desktop notifications come in. With notifications enabled, you'll receive real-time updates directly on your computer, helping you stay in the loop without having to constantly check the Trello app. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this set up. First, open Trello in your web browser. You can do this by typing www.trello.com into your address bar and logging into your account if you're not already signed in. If you're new to Trello, you'll find a registration link in the description below to create your account and get started. Once you're on the Trello interface, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a small bell icon. This is where all your Trello notifications are stored. Go ahead and click on that bell icon to open the notifications menu. Now that you have the notifications menu open, look closely at the upper part of this menu. You'll notice 3 small vertical dots, which indicate more options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional settings. From the options that appear, select the one labeled Allow Desktop Notifications. This will prompt Trello to request permission from your web browser to send notifications directly to your desktop. Next, wait for a small dialog box to appear on your screen. This is a browser-generated permission request, asking if you want to allow Trello to send notifications. When you see this box, click the Allow button to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications for Trello. From now on, you'll receive real-time updates about your tasks and projects right on your desktop, so you can stay organized and informed at all times. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.